Hi Wanderers, it's your man Kwame the Wanderer, showing you the world one place at a time. I'm in Dubai. My plane just landed and I've gone through security, holding my luggage. Good morning from Emirates Business Class Lounge at Dubai International Airport. Kwame the Wanderer here. I'm here to take my breakfast before I proceed through immigration and catch my hotel shuttle bus to my hotel. So I've landed. I have to nourish the body before I check out of the airport. As I'm about to take my breakfast, let me show you what I'll be eating. Salad, salmon, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, beetroot, spinach, baby rocket with lemon and vinegar sauce, and acai or yogurt and some berries, banana, mandarin, bread, cheese, and more veggies and pumpkin. Yeah, something healthy. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. In Ghana, there's a saying that chop time no friend, meaning when there's food, you don't know your friends anymore. That's just a joke. Time to have my breakfast, so I'll talk to you guys later. Kwame the Wanderer, showing you the world one place at a time. Let me give you a quick flash of the business class lounge before I start eating. It's very early in the morning, so it's not crowded and busy. I have all the business class lounge for myself. Now, going through customs and immigration and catch my hotel shuttle bus. So I'm going to my hotel to check in, and after check-in, I won't even rest a minute. I'll jump out, go to Dubai City and wander and share the experience with you. So I'm in Dubai. Habibi, come to Dubai. Yes, I'm in this beautiful city once again, and I'll make sure we all share the experience through my lens. Enjoy watching Kwame the Wanderer. Now proceeding to immigration. Well, Wanderers, I've now gone through immigration. It was fast, straightforward, stress-free. The immigration collected my passport, asked me to look through a certain machine, which is like it will capture your iris. So I opened my eyes widely, and the machine captured my eyes. After she opened my passport and gave me my entry stamp. So I've got my entry stamp, and I'm now heading out of the airport to catch the hotel shuttle. Let me show you the arrival hall. That's Dubai Airport arrival hall. Very clean, modern, and flashy, full of blinks at every corner. As you can see, it's beautiful, clean, flashy, and modern. The ceiling is full of, I don't know if it's stainless steel or kind of silver looking metal, and some artificial palm trees signifying the landscape of the United Arab Emirates. It's a desert country, so the palm tree is very significant to them. It's an identity of this area. So I'm now walking out of the arrival hall to where I will catch my hotel shuttle bus and check in at my hotel. Can't wait to put my bags down and take a shower and off to the street as usual. That's a latest BMW. I don't know the module name. It's on promotion at the Dubai airport. Have a look. This pure luxury. Wow. Seems it's called BMW X M Power. Oh, it's flashy. Oh, men and cars. We get crazy when we see cars, right? Men and cars. That's a beautiful flower shop right at the arrival hall at Dubai airport. Very refreshing. And that's Starbucks right over there if you need coffee or hot chocolate. Once you get out of the flight and you want to recharge, there's Starbucks right here for you to recharge before you head out to town. Business class taxi rank full of BMWs and Mercedes. All these are taxis. Lexus. Our hotel shuttle bus is in, so we are now going to board our hotel shuttle bus to transfer us from the airport to the hotel. Water fountains giving us welcome to Dubai. I'm now seated right on the back seat of the hotel shuttle bus, being transferred from the airport to the hotel where I'll pass my 2 nights in Dubai. We've now arrived in my hotel. That's the front view. Copthorne Airport Hotel. Here's where I will stay for 2 nights during this trip in Dubai. Now let me take you to the back of the building to see how the back too looks like. That's the back view of where I'm staying. It's a huge hotel. That's the backyard of the hotel. My room is in that building. That's where Kwame the Wanderer is lodging. I'm now going to the check-in counter to check in. It was a fast trip from the airport to here, only like 5 minutes drive. So that was very efficient. Now heading to my room, and then on the wall is a photo of the ruler of Dubai and his son, the Prince of Dubai. Dubai's ruler, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai. Nice photos. Now heading to the elevator to take the lift to my room. Now heading to my hotel room. That's my room. Let's see how it looks like. First impression. It's big. 2 king single beds. A TV. Central air condition. It's not too posh, but it's okay. Yeah, wondrous. So that's my hotel room. It's quite ordinary, not that modern. It has got that classic feel, old school. But it's all right. It's quiet. It's clean. And the room temperature is cool. That's something you have to be grateful when you are in a country like UAE, where it gets bloody hot. So air conditioning is very essential. And I would say my air conditioning works. It's really blowing on me. The breeze is good. Very refreshing. Once you walk out, you realize how hot it can get here. Let me take you to the window side so that you can have a view. That's the view I get from my window. I don't have a veranda, but I've got a big window, and outside you can see the concrete jungle. That hotel has got a big pool outside. So I'm on the 7th floor in my room looking outside the city. My hotel is not too far from the airport, so you can see the spear of Dubai International Airport. I'm just changing myself, wash down, and head straight to town to see what's on the street, to see the real Dubai. Now let's go and see my bathroom. That's the bathroom. There's a bidet to rinse the bum cleaner after you finish doing your business. Marble. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's clean. A cool place to freshen oneself. So when I return from town feeling hot and sweaty, I'll head straight to the shower and wash down and get some rest in my chilled air-conditioned room. I'm back in the hotel shuttle bus, heading to the metro station. to catch the train and head to the city and explore around.